Goldstone Resources, an AIM-listed exploration company which focuses on gold exploration in West Africa, recently announced its initial results from Sangola, Senegal. The Sangola permit is located in eastern Senegal within a well-known gold province known as the Keniba Inlier of the Birimian Formation. The permit is located 650 kilometers from Dakar and is easily accessible via a tarred highway. Historically, exploration of the Keniba Inlier in Mali and Senegal has resulted in the discovery of more than 40 million ounces of gold. In Senegal alone, the last 6 years of exploration have resulted in discovery of over 10 million ounces. Notably, this includes Randgold Resources' 3.5 million ounce Massawa deposit, as well as a number of related satellite deposits, all of which are located on a geological structure known as the Main Transcurrent Shear Zone. Located a short distance from the Massawa deposit, the Sangola permit is dissected by the same structure. The permit area also includes several gold occurrences. Until Goldstone commenced exploration activities in January this year, the Sangola license area, despite its strategic location, has been largely underexplored. Goldstone's program commenced with an initial sampling program which consisted of collection of more than 8,000 termite mound samples. Silver is commonly used in gold exploration as a pathfinder to deposits. Analysis indicate that the distribution of anomalous silver values is closely associated with the main structural corridor. The gold results available thus far indicate that the mineralized trend is associated with secondary structures parallel to the main transcurrent shear. Goldstone expects to complete a full interpretation of gold assay results during the following months. Further exploration targets will be investigated by follow-up sampling, ground geophysics and trenching. In conjunction with its projects in Ghana and Gabon, the latest results from Senegal add significant exploration potential to an already impressive portfolio.